just don't get it. Why does everything have to be so complicated? Linear motion is supposed to be straightforward, right? Mixing up with velocity and acceleration. How am I supposed to understand this? I wish there were a simpler way to visualize how objects move in a straight line. This is driving me crazy. Every time I try to calculate distance traveled, I end up with different answers. It's frustrating.
We have a solution for that! Before we dive into linear motion, let us take a moment to understand it better.
What is linear motion?
Linear motion is when something moves in a straight line.
So it's just moving straight from one place to another?
Exactly! To break it down further, when we talk about how far the car travels, we call that distance. If the car travels 5 meters, its distance is 5 meters.
Got it! What about speed?
Speed is how fast the car is moving. If it takes the car 2 seconds to travel 5 meters, its speed is 5 meters divided by 2 seconds, which is 2.5 meters per second.
Okay, but what is velocity?
Velocity is speed with a direction. If the car is moving to the right at 2.5 meters per second, that's its velocity. If it moves to the left at the same speed, the velocity is negative 2.5 meters per second.
Oh, so velocity tells us how fast in which direction? Exactly! Now, let's talk about acceleration. If the car speeds up or changes direction, it's accelerating. Acceleration is the change in velocity over time. So, if the car goes 2 meters per second to 4 meters per second in 2 seconds, what is the acceleration?
The change in velocity is 4 meters per second minus 2 meters per second, which is 2 meters per second. If this happens over 2 seconds, the acceleration is 2 meters per second divided by 2 seconds. So it's 1 meter per second squared.
That makes sense. So distance, velocity, speed, and acceleration all help us to understand how things move in a straight line. Exactly! We now have a clear understanding of these basics. To make learning linear motion much easier, we present to you PhysiMotion!
Our app is a teaching tool that makes learning linear motion easy and fun. It uses videos and animations to show how things move in a straight line. With PhysiMotion, students can play with different settings like speed and direction to see what happens. This helps them understand how distance, speed, velocity, and acceleration work together. We also have a built-in calculator. If you encounter a problem, you can first solve it by yourself. Then, you can input the values into the calculator to check if you got it right. The app will also show you the solution step by step. In short, PhysiMotion helps students understand and enjoy learning about linear motion by making it visual, interactive, and hands-on.
Thanks for checking out PhysiMotion. We hope you find learning linear motion so smooth! Remember, if learning linear motion has you feeling a little off track, just think of us as your guide to keeping things straight. Keep moving forward with PhysiMotion!